I remember a time na I was listening to the Hope Talk. I was praying, sabi ko, Lord, will I have that chance kaya na makapagbigay ng Hope Talk? Pero what am I to say? Sabi ko, papasa kaya ako. Pero sana you give me a chance to do the Hope Talk. But towards the end of my review, yung papalapit na si ano, sabi ko, this time, Lord, parang hindi yata. Parang hindi yata. Kasi nga, I felt, thank you for giving me credit, sir, because I don't think I've given myself enough credit because up until now, I still felt like I could have done more. Sana hindi ako nag-cramming, mga ganon. Because my situation really wasn't ideal. It's not something I would advise for anyone because the mental and the emotional load when you are cramming and when you know na palapit na and you're not done yet, hindi po siya very healthy. Napaka-emotional and mentally draining having to think about ang lapit na, but I'm still so far back. Parang I'm not getting any closer to finishing anything. For those that are reviewing, please do not cram. Follow the study plan that IPAS has for you if kaya. If kaya po. Because the cramming is really, that's what took its toll on me. My kid, my baby felt it, my husband felt it. Because, syempre, kung anong nararamdaman mo, it translates, no? It translates to them. But if there's one thing that I said, I will mention in this Hope Talk, whether you are whatever religion, whatever denomination that you have, you surrender. Surrender to God, surrender to your higher supreme being, whoever that is. But for me, I had a certain kind of peace when I took the exam, when I said, hindi ko po to kaya, Lord. I cannot do this. I do not know. I do not have all the ammunition. I do not have all the information that I need to have. But it is not me who is taking the exam. It is you. I am surrendering everything to you. Let your will be done in my life. And I remember one question where I saw like all the answers were correct. Parang, I felt like all the answers were correct. Sabi ko, Lord, ikaw sumagot nito. Sabi ko, ikaw sumagot nito, Lord, because I don't know the answer. Kasi if I choose anyone here, someone will die. Sabi ko, with this question, if I choose anyone here, may mamamatay talaga dito. Pero yeah, went out of the exam, the building. Once I nag-exam, sabi ko, wala na. I felt defeated when I went out of the exam. Siguro nga because in my mind, you didn't finish it. You didn't finish studying. So siguro wala. And on the drive back, kasi where we took the exam, it was a 4-hour drive from where I live. Umiiyak ako, nagro-rosary ako, umiiyak ako. Pero sabi ko, no, I'm just gonna cry out all the anxiety, but I will be at peace because it is your will that shall be done in my life. So I think that this journey is really just telling me that you think your best might not have been enough, but the Lord sees your hard work. Kung para sa'yo, hindi siya 100%. Sabi ng Diyos, hindi. Yun na yun eh. You gave your all. That was your all. So whether you finished it or not, because you gave your all, okay then. I might have felt that I have not given my 100% because I did not finish. But kung binigay niyo po lahat ng makakaya po ninyo sa abot ng makakaya, then ibigay niyo po for this because it's very worth it. Napaka worth it po.